Hi, I'm Mahdy. Today I'm talking about network switch. This is network switch. This is TP-Link 5 port 10 to 100 Mbps desktop switch. Light wave, which model is LS1005.
Automated defense unit activated.
Specifications: Standard protocols IEEE 802.3i, 802.3EU, 802.3x. Ports 5 into 10 to 100 Mbps. Power LEDs per unit. Link or ACT LEDs per port. Switching capacity 1 GB per second, non-blocking. Dimensions 83.6 into 45.7 into 22.8 mm. Features: half and full duplex, MAC address learning, O2 negotiation ports, O2 MDI or MDIX ports. Fanless design ensures quiet operation. Plug and play design, no configuration required. O2 MDI or MDIX eliminates the need for crossover cables. O2 negotiation guarantees the highest speed for each port. Green technology guarantees lower power consumption. Fanless design ensures quiet operation. IEEE 802.3x flow control provides reliable data transfer. That's all. You can use it for desktop, game console, NAS and IPTV. Fast network expansion for home or office. Okay. Now I'm unboxing this TP-Link network switch. Let's see. It is nice pack. It has installation guide. This is one page installation guide. It shows a picture of network switch. Nice. It has some frequently asked question. Okay. This is the switch. It's so small. Really nice. This is power adapter. There are 5 ports. It has auto negotiation features, so you can use any port. Power input. Actually, a network switch is networking hardware that connects devices on a network to receive and forward data to a destination device. if you have lots of devices and you need to connect them with a network, then you will need a network switch. Mind it, this is not a gigabit switch. This is ideal for basic networks. Okay guys,